Are you working from home and doing virtual meetings, Zoom calls, maybe even creating some content? One of the first things that people start to look at when they're upgrading their video quality is audio. Smart move. Now, the first thing they'll do is they'll grab these headphones and they'll plug these in, and that's way better than the built-in mic. But if you're like me and you've ever stood up from a computer with these things attached to your head, you know it's not fun being tethered to your computer. In this video, I'm going to give you a blind sample of 3 hands-free solutions that will help you level up your audio quality. You can guess which of the blind samples match the microphones. I'll reveal to you at the end of the video which ones are which, and I'll give you my unbiased opinion about which one I think might be the best upgrade for you. So let's dig right in. This is a blind sample of microphone A. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone B. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone C. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. All right, now the fun part. I've revealed the samples. Now I'm going to show you the 3 microphone solutions that we used, and you get to guess which microphone matches which sample, A, B, or C. I will reveal to you which one is which, and then I'll give you my unbiased review about which one might make the best starter kit for you. As a quick note, I always do audio equalization to all my video projects. In the case of this video, I haven't performed any audio EQ other than adjusting volume levels to get a consistent output, also known as gain control. So there should be pretty consistent samples. I also did my best to measure the distance, as you can see here, between each microphone and my mouth. You want to make sure that you get that equal distance to get a relatively consistent sample. So without further ado, I'm going to reveal the mics to you in no particular order. First up, we've got this unidirectional Apex 381. Now, I'm not actually using it, it's not plugged in right now. And normally you would see something like this on a microphone stand being used by a professional speaker, maybe somebody who's a singer. And this particular mic does a pretty good job. So let's check out the next one. Next up, we have the FIFINE 683a. It comes with a bunch of stuff, and honestly, pretty happy with this one. So which one do you think this was, A, B, or C? Okay, last up, we're gonna reveal the Rode Filmmaker kit, Rode Link. This is a wireless microphone system, and it could be sample A, B, or C. So let me know in the comments below which ones you chose. Okay, let's play those samples one more time, and then I'm going to reveal to you which one's which. This is a blind sample of microphone A. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone B. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone C. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is a blind sample of microphone A. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone B. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. This is an audio sample of microphone C. Do you think it sounds good? Let me know in the comments below. All right, which one am I going to recommend for you? Are you a more advanced user, like a technical user, doesn't mind spending around 500 bucks? Then you might like this solution here. You can buy any kind of microphone like this, and you can run it with an XLR cable into a sound recorder device. Now that's where you're going to invest the money, is the sound recorder. I use a Zoom H6 in combination with this microphone, and that's in a ballpark budget of around $500 to $600. So it might not be the best solution for you. Now the next option, the Filmmaker kit, this wireless Filmmaker kit I use for a lot of my content because I like to have hands-free. The downside with a lavalier mic is it's omnidirectional, meaning it has a pickup pattern of all the way around. It picks up audio from everywhere in the environment, and it's not actually one of the best solutions for audio quality. So that leaves the FIFINE 683a. This little guy comes in under $100. Pretty happy with the build quality. It feels pretty solid. It's got a good weight to it. There is a mute control button right on the front, so if you've got to mute your mic real fast, you can do that. There's also audio gain controls. You can control the level of the microphone right here. You're going to speak into the side of this mic that has a logo on it. That's where your pickup pattern is. So it's not picking up as much audio from the back side, which is awesome, especially if you have a noisy computer like I do. Not to mention the fact that you're also going to get this little tripod with a good weight to it. You can set this up on your desk, so you can use this literally anywhere with your laptop. And it even comes with the Plosive Filter for plosives. Plosives. If you ever use the letter P in your words, it tends to make a popping sound, and that's what this little guy's for. It's going to help decrease those pop sounds. It's going to sound better. So it also comes with this USB cable, and the cool thing about this USB cable is we have Type-C and traditional USB, so you can plug this into a Mac or Windows PC, and we've got a good length of cable here. It's just going to be plug and play. You don't need any software. You can plug it in the computer, it'll recognize it as an input, and then you're good to go. So, easiest solution, most budget friendly. I highly recommend the FIFINE 683a. I was really happy with the results and how it sounds. For transparency's sake, FIFINE reached out to me and they compensated me for the price of the microphone, meaning I got this mic for free. Now, that doesn't have any bearing on my recommendation. I'm giving you my unbiased review of this equipment. I think it's great for the price. I think it's awesome for what you get in the kit, and it's going to be a really good solution for you to step up your audio quality. Come back for next week's video. I'm going to be sharing with you how to improve your video studio setup. I'm going to give you some tips, and we're going to be going through that. If you're seeing this video later on, it's going to be this video right here. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you creating a big impact with your videos.